Super good.
He's got 25 minutes. He's got 25 minutes. It takes us, James, it takes us what, 5-10 minutes to put that together?
Yeah, like depending on how long we cook it.
We just need this, you know, the wood is actually one of my other goals. Sure. Instead of creating this new burger, all the way in the corner, then we gotta look at the recipe.
I got
It's
this.
just a burger that's on the menu, but that's the done that's on the road. You know what I mean? So we can back it out. What's that?
Super tasty.
He doesn't get it.
You know, that's all I care.
It helps. It does.
You always put that next to me. He's got to eat. If he gets 19 minutes and 55 seconds, $100 t-shirt and the ball maybe. The entire world by like 400 challenges. His challenge here, where Randy came in, was number 773. That's how many he's done. So he's number one in the world, and he came in and actually did the challenge. I thought he was going to go down. I thought Randy was going to have like a focus type challenge. Until he does it in 4 minutes. You know what I mean? It doesn't make sense to challenge anybody that does it. Only 3 pieces of pie. Coming in? Or were you guys on the way out? Are you just walking by? Oh, our burgers. All right. Thank you.
What's going down? It started at 30.
I started at 25.
Oh. Okay. About 3.5 minutes in. Tastes great. Huge pieces of bacon.
We get all our bacon from the local butcher, along with all the meat, fresh, never frozen.
Fantastic.
The local butcher's been in business for 100 years. Same recipe. It's the best bacon I've ever tasted.
Wow. It's very good.
Looks delicious.
Can I get you guys to drink today? I don't know how much time. We have Pepsi products, water, lemonade, Mountain Dew for you.
Doing good, buddy. Don't forget that bread on that stick.
Thank you.
Out for you guys, okay? Did you do it? Holy crap!
It's 5 minutes and now it's tired.
Oh, thanks. Burger's gone.
cheesecake.
4 half-pounds, Jacob.
Cheesecake just fly down. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Super tasty burger. 5.5 minutes in. Then we got the rest of it. You guys can talk and stuff. Like I'm gonna have a music over there.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I was like being all comfortable.
How's your day?
Pretty good, man.
It's mesmerizing.
He's killing it.
You can come take a look.
I don't want to bother.
He doesn't care.
I don't care at all.
He has a camera for this whole thing. He doesn't care.
Not much more to bother. It's gone.
Yeah, not much else to it, honestly.
Time for dessert. Washing it down.
So we are 7 minutes, 10 seconds in. I have a piece of cheesecake. That's about it.
He's not probably done with the burger, he just needs cheesecake. He can take the time.
So the next person who beats my record gets $100. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next person who beats my record gets $100. So morally, I'm going to take my time for this cheesecake because I still have like 12 minutes to beat Randy's time and get my cash. So I'm just going to eat this, kill a little bit more time so it's not like a 8-minute record. So somebody else can enjoy $100 another day.
Woo.
So Banana Foster.
And also you can just enjoy it because that's really amazing.
Is it?
Oh, I think so.
I actually hate cheesecake.
This is Cheesecake Factory, though.
It's Cheesecake Factory,
All right.
though.
Does whatever,
So,
man.
so I asked
Are
the
you from Toledo? Are you from Bowling Green, Toledo?
no, I'm not.
No.
So I asked the gentleman which of the cheesecakes tastes least like cheesecake, and he said this one, and he was definitely right. This tastes like banana, and I like it. I'm not a big fan of like the sourness of cheesecake, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
But I really like the banana flavor of this. And I think it's calorie free, right? I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Keep lying to yourself.
So right now we are at 9 minutes.
Yep.
Let's hold on to this for another minute. But everything was super tasty. Those were definitely some of the best burgers I've had in a very, very long time, if not ever. Cheesesteak was good. Fries weren't bad. How can you go wrong?
Where are you from, Joel?
I'm from Canada.
Canada.
So let's say 9.5. 9.5.
9.5.
Woo!